This is a result of 3 years of uninterrupted construction and $3.5 billion investment, a magnificent cross-country train for both passengers and goods, aimed at connecting the heart of Ethiopia with the Djibouti border. It is East Africa's most advanced standard gauge railway ever built. It is dubbed a game-changer project by Ethiopia.
This train transportation will change basically the problems that we are now facing. That means a lot for this economy. That means a lot. I can say it's really a game changer for the economy of this country. We are going to be inefficient enough in terms of time and in terms of cost. So that means this economy is going to compete efficiently in the international market.
The new cross-country railway that links Addis Ababa with the port of Djibouti provides landlocked Ethiopia with improved railroad access to the sea. Djibouti was preferred because its port is critical for Ethiopia's economy, accounting for 90% of the nation's trade in 2016. Locals say that this is an exciting step in the right direction.
It's a wonderful one, even like an Ethiopian. It's not an easy achievable project, so it's a wow project for me. Yeah.
One of the reasons why we stayed poor, Ethiopia and Africa in general, is because we're not connected. So connectivity is one of really a means to get out of the poverty. So this is an engine, it's a development engine.
Several Chinese companies have taken part in constructing the railway and introducing latest technology to Ethiopia.
This time we delivered our highest technology of the locomotives and other coaches here. And we also want to cooperate with other big Ethiopian companies in future to do some technology transfer, and we also want to make some joint venture cooperated here to do the rolling stock assembly and even manufacture in future.
The freight operation issues, the passenger operation issues, the maintenance of the infrastructure will be 100% Ethiopian. What more can you say? This is called sustainability, and we can continue. The railway issue in Ethiopia is not going to go backwards. It's going to go forwards, not only for Ethiopia, it will prevail in the region and can extend beyond.
Using this railway and other being planned, Ethiopia wants to lead regional integration.
We are going to construct more railways. We have a plan also. We are going to connect not only the port and the capital city, we are going to connect our neighbors. From South Sudan, from Kenya and so on. So we are going to lead the economy, the integration of the economy of this region.
This train has sleeping cars and lounges in different classes, fully furnished for comfort. Scheduled to begin service in October 2016, the new train has most importantly managed to connect Ethiopia to the seas once again, following the demise of the French-built 1890s train. The success of this project gave Ethiopia not only a train that can transport goods and passengers from center to port and vice versa, it also gave locals the capacity and confidence to handle such magnitude of a project from the beginning to the end. Grumtala CCTV, Andode, Ethiopia.